Hey guys, today we're checking out the AUTOPHIX 7150 FD professional OB scanner. You can do service reset, throttle adaptation, EPB reset, and DPF function. So this is what it looks like. This is a protective housing for it, which is nice. Cable is not that long. That is a little disappointing. You guys know, if you've followed my OB readers, you guys know that I really like when OB readers have long cable. This one, the cable is not that long, so that's disappointing right out of the box. Here's a power cable for this, and inside here you have owner's manual. Goes over a whole bunch of stuff, so make sure you check that out if you want to get every feature. We're going to go ahead and just show you guys the basic features, so see you in a bit. Alright guys, so first locate your OB port. It's going to be somewhere around the driver's side feet. It's going to be a plug, so you're just going to want to find it and then plug this directly in. It should pop right in. And as soon as you plug it in, it's going to be turned on. You don't have to have your vehicle running. You just have to have your key on the on position. So like this. Just like that. You don't have to start your vehicle. You can if you want, but you don't have to. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and check this out and see what we got. So you got for Ford, oil reset, BMS, battery. So you guys can select whatever you want. See, yeah, this is why I wish it was longer. The cable's long enough, but if it was a little longer, it would give me better room to do what I want to do and show you guys better. So yeah, you can test your battery, you know, turn off the vehicle. To go back, just hit ESC. You got IM readiness. You can just press it right away and it will go through everything. It will let you know what's failed, what's not available. Gray means unavailable, green means good. And here, yeah, here it says gray, monitor not applicable, orange, not complete, green is good, blue is normal background color. So let's see here. Yeah, so everything's pretty much good with this vehicle. So you got all the different stuff. You got tool setup, language, beeper, instructions, unit, skin style, feedback the test results, device information. Again, to test your battery, you can do that. You got the oil reset. For Ford, you got feedback function, so you can just go through the instructions so we can identify the vehicle, which of course we're not going to show you guys. So guys, it went through, and as you can see, it got our vehicle exactly. Pretty awesome. Once you do your vehicle, it will then do scanning, and it will go through your whole vehicle and scan different stuff to see what's up, see if everything's okay. This is showing some interesting things here. So now we can select it and it will give us some information, read fault codes, and it will let us know battery voltage out of range. So that's what that came up. Let's see. Was that it for that? Yeah, it looks like it. Now we can do the GEM. See what's up with that. Let's read that code. Four-wheel drive high indicator circuit fault. Interesting. So those things are okay. PCM says there's an issue. Read the code, and yeah, you guys can clear it. Engine by PhD. Okay, interesting. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff you guys can do. And then of course you got the OB. Let's go back here. OB2, and that scans your system as well, and that goes over a bunch of different stuffs that you can read codes, erase codes. So this one can actually do a lot more than most readers. I'm actually very happy with this. There's a lot more things you guys can do. The only downfall, the only thing I'm not happy with is just the cable length. Again, there's plenty of cable length that you guys can see. Each vehicle is going to differ, so you got plenty of cable length to hold it and use it. But if you want to mount it somewhere, it's going to be a little tough. Like, you can rotate it up like there, but then it's going to be back around your vehicle. It's just a little bit of extra length would have been better, but that's just my personal opinion though. Some people might say, well, that's plenty of length. You know, that's just my personal preference. A little bit longer, because my idea was to mount it down on the other side, but I would have to run it underneath our radio, and there's not enough cable, because I'd like to mount this somewhere that's quick, easy access, but oh well, it is what it is. It is decent cable. It's enough cable that you guys can use it. It's just, you know, if you want to do a customized bracket and then, you know, set it up, it doesn't give you as much room. You could do something like down in here and then loop it up around, but there's not enough cable to loop it around your, you know, under your carpet mats and stuff. So, you know, if you're just using this to plug it in, test it out, erase codes, see how your vehicle is performing and whatnot, then there's no issue. But if you want to customize it a little bit, you know, but that's all right. Overall, I still like this. I give this a 4-star rating. That's my honest personal opinion. Would be a 5-star if the cable length was a little bit longer. Again, I'm picky, so that's just my personal preference. But still, 4-star is a very high rating from me for this. Normally, I actually don't even rate OB readers because most of them are not near as good as they claim to be. This one is as good as it claims to be, maybe even better. So that's why I can give it a genuine 4-star rating.